Hello there, welcome into this new video. In this tutorial, let's take a look how we can use the Electrum Bitcoin wallet. If you don't have an account, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description so you can get the latest release of the Electrum wallet, the crypto wallet, and you might be having a few rewards just by signing up using that link below. So let's start away. As you can see, I'm already here into the electrum.org, and once you click into the link, you have to choose the source and the binaries. In my case, I do want to choose Windows, and then I want to choose the Windows installer. If you want to choose a portable version, this is for security advice, you want to choose this option, but I think it's gonna be okay if I choose the Windows installer. So once you hit into this option, it's gonna be appearing where you want to save that. Hit into save, and the download should be appearing in here. Now in my case, what I want to do is to double click the downloaded file, hit into allow this, and hit into yes, and we are going to be asked for a destination folder. I think the program file says it's totally okay. So after you make the installation, we can start customizing our wallet, our crypto wallet from Electrum. So after that, I'm going to hit into close, and what I'm going to be doing here is to go into my search bar, and here I'm going to tap ELE, and here is the application. So I want to run this as an administrator. I want to choose yes, and as you can see, how do you want to connect a server? You want to create to auto connect. If you prefer to, feel free to select a server manually. You can do that. In my case, since we are like just creating our first account and we don't know about a lot about servers, I'm going to choose auto connect. Hit into next. So here we have some Electrum wallet. We want to name a wallet. So what I want to do is to choose a name for my wallet. The file does not exist. Please press next to create this wallet and choose another file. So I want to choose next. What kind of wallet do you want to create? If you create a standard wallet, it's going to be just a really simple wallet. If you create a wallet with two-factor authenticator, the two-factor authenticator, actually it's an application that constantly is going to be generating thousands of codes. So each time you sign into the application, is going to be asking for a two-factor authentication code, which you need to provide with another device. So this is for security reasons. After that, we have the multi-signature wallet. We can add more than 2 signatures for more securities, and the import Bitcoin address or private keys. This is just in case that you already have a wallet and this is from the Bitcoin, or you have some private keys that are generated for you once you have created your wallet. So we want to focus for now into the standard wallet. And here I'm going to hit into next. Now, do you want to create a new seed or to store a wallet using an existing seed? In our case, we do want to create a new seed because we are just starting, right? So I'm going to hit into next. Now your wallet generation seed is this one. So as you can see here into my computer, you might see that this file has been blurred because this is a 12-word random words that are generating by the computer, but this is the only way that I can recover my account, just in case if I put a passcode and I don't remember to use that. If I want to import this password into another device, or let's say into another browser, if I install the application into another place, they are going to be asking me to import. If you want to import a wallet, you have to generate, you have to provide all these 12 words. It's really important to copy those for yourself and paste that somewhere. So I'm going to select all of my words and I'm going to paste those. Once you are successfully done here with your 12 sheets, you want to create a passcode to encrypt your wallet keys, and this is going to be helping us to sign in next time we want to enter inside this specific application. And of course, once you have created your seed, when you have imported your seed, it's going to be asking you for this passcode. So once again, you want to remember this passcode and write that down somewhere else. So once you go into next, and here for security reasons, we advise that you always use the latest version of Electrum. Would you like to be notified? You want to choose the option that says yes. In our case, guys, Here we are at the end of the 2022. So I am sending you guys the link that I just gave you. Is the latest release, is the 4.3.2. but if you're looking into this video like months after this December of the 2022, you want to check it out if there's a new release. So this is just for security reasons. So now, as you can see, we do have the standard section where we have the history, the transactions that we received. Here is the amount, the balance, and here I can choose the option to send money. We have the received option, and we do have the channels. So if you want to send money away, you want to paste in here an address that has been provided by the user that wants to receive the money. So for example, let's say I have this Coinbase wallet. I have an asset and I want to receive money. So this is the address that I need to send to the sender. So we are the sender, right? So pay to, you want to paste this address. So once you paste this address, here what you want to do into the description, sometimes you want to input the network. For example, there would be Ethereum, the amount, or let's say the description, or in my case this is like the reason of the transaction. And here you want to input the amount that you want to send. As you can see, we only have the Bitcoin available. So let's say I want to send 0.007. Hit into pay, and then we're actually good to go. This transaction is going to be available into the history section. Actually, it's going to be appearing in here. And now if you want to receive the money inside Electrum, you want to choose received. And once again, you want to choose a description, like let's say for example that you want to choose a custom number, let's say 7890.2, and this description should be provided by the sender. So you want to send this description to that guy. Do you want to request the amount, let's say 009, and the expires after, let's say, just 1 hour, because you are expecting to receive the money today in less than 1 hour. So then you hit into create request, and here we have a request. Here is my description, here is the amount, and here is the status. So once I have here the request, what I want to do is to provide the address, which in our case that would be this one. So here is the address. You want to copy paste, or you want to send the URL, or even here the QR code. So this person, this receiver, just needs to let's say scan this code and pay directly, so we can receive the money right away. So actually it's a very really easy and basic and custom wallet into the Bitcoin, into the crypto world. So hopefully guys, this was a very useful video for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more about this Electrum wallet. Really basic but useful. So thank you once again for watching this video guys, and I'll see you on the next one.